How to switch to dark mode in Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change the appearance of your Microsoft Teams by changing it to dark mode? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Teams and then head over to the activity option on the left hand side, and then you'll see the gear icon. Tap on it, and there you can see appearance and accessibility. Tap on it, and you can see follow operating system theme. If you tap on the drop down, you can see light, dark, high contrast. So you can tap on dark, and there you go. Now your Microsoft team is switched to dark mode. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.